Good evening, Kryptonians. This is Crypto Big Boss coming to you again with another great video. I came across this new article on CNBC, and it says Bitcoin drops as Elon Musk tweets breakup meme. Why is it that they keep associating Elon Musk tweets with every time Bitcoin moves? I think actually people really are starting to believe this, and it actually, in my mind, has absolutely nothing to do with it. I don't know how I'm going to get this point across for the folks that subscribe to this channel. We've shown how computerized investing on behalf of institutional investors is what makes it go up and down. That's why all the charts always look the same. But before I get into this, let's just go ahead and watch a quick video that they have about this. Let's see what it says.
Welcome back to Fast Money. Bitcoin dropping more than 3% today after another cryptic crypto tweet from Elon Musk, the Tesla CEO, tagging Bitcoin with a heartbreak emoji in this meme about a breakup. We started the show with pantless Adam Aaron, and we're ending it with Elon Musk and some emojis. Karen, what do you think this means?
I think maybe it means Tesla's out of their Bitcoin. Maybe. Could that be what it means? I don't know. I sort of think it's sort of a waste of his time. I don't really know what he's doing. I don't know what he's doing. I do think every time he tweets, there'll be a more and more muted effect on Bitcoin because he tweets all the time, sort of. I don't get it at all. But I don't think there's anything criminal about it or anything like that.
Even though, here's the issue, and we were discussing this just during the commercial break. Tesla does have Bitcoin on the balance sheet. So from that perspective, could Elon Musk maybe be inviting trouble by tweeting about something that Tesla owns, even if it doesn't participate to the upside when it goes up? It does participate to the downside.
Well, let me give you a counter to that. Do they own raw materials, including copper, that they need to make Teslas? Yeah, they probably do. He could talk copper up, down, whatever. He could say whatever he wants. Do they, in effect, own Tesla shares that they could issue at some time? Mm-hmm. He can talk those up or down. He's talked them down before.
But there is a point where does get to be manipulation. If he's talking something up or down, just pulling stuff out of air, something has to be based on some sort of factual.
Well, if he starts making up what their numbers are going to be, that's a different issue.
Right.
Yes.
Right, that's different.
It's a little irresponsible to me, but I don't see it as the same as making up numbers.
Are you guys listening to this? These are very educated people. Now, maybe I'm the crazy person. I have debated this with a lot of people that one man, CEO or not, okay, Tesla or not, okay, they don't have the ability to just manipulate these freaking markets on a freaking wingding. Now, we've got all these so-called experts over here talking on CSNBC, and this is what they believe? Come on, man.
Your quarter.
Right. Guy, where do you stand? I mean, Tesla shares are up. They were down yesterday. They're up 4.5% today. Doesn't seem like it's a big deal for shareholders.
No, it's not. It's not. Listen, I mean, he's a brilliant man, but I'm sort of more with Steve on. I don't think it's criminal. I don't think this, but I think it's like at what point isn't there a responsibility to sort of to hold the position in a higher regard than to do dopey things? And I'm choosing that word on Twitter. Like, I don't know, but that's the world we live in right now. And I clearly am too much of a boomer, and I get it. But maybe I'm just a little too old-fashioned. I don't understand what he has to gain by doing these.
He doesn't have anything to gain, and he's not doing anything. Okay? There are all kinds of people out here tweeting stuff, publishing stuff, and I just don't understand why everybody thinks that he makes a tweet and then they go run. Ask yourself, when most of you probably aren't keeping up with Elon Musk tweets, I would love to know in the comments how many of you guys out there are actually enrolled in his Twitter. How many of you have subscribed to his Twitter feed so that every time he says something dumb, to go run and buy some Doge or run and sell some Bitcoin? I don't think you're subscribed. I'm not. Okay, maybe I should, but I guarantee you this: I don't give a damn what he says, and I don't care what any of the rest of these czars say. Okay, I'm looking at the technology that's underneath these coins. I don't think people, I hope people are not running every time they see a tweet. I just don't believe that all of these newscasters are sitting up here believing that that's what they're doing. These are experts. Nobody's running every time Elon Musk says a tweet to buy and sell their assets. That's bull.
It just makes no sense to me.
I mean, you got Ryan Cohen tweeting ice cream cones, you got Elon Musk tweeting Bitcoin emojis, you got Adam Aaron pantless. That's the
Thank
world
you.
in which we live right now.
Okay, so this is really important to understand that these folks really are thinking, okay? They're actually believing that these things from Elon Musk are actually affecting the price, okay? Okay, they really believe that, and I don't. Let's just go into the article. The Bitcoin drops as Elon Musk tweets breakup meme. Bitcoin drops again after the latest Musk tweet. Okay, was it really after, or was it during? Did he actually post it right after Bitcoin went down? I bet you it's the other way around. With CNBC's Melissa Lee and Fast Money Traders Karen Finnerman, Steve Grasso, Guy Adamy, and Tim Seymour. Okay, we just watched the video. So look, we need to understand what's really going on. Okay, apparently there was a conference, and Elon met with some of the folks that are talking about the energy problem apparently associated with mining Bitcoin. They're talking about a council that is going to be put together. Okay, maybe we should talk about that. Okay, maybe we should, let's see, Elon meets with council to discuss Bitcoin mining. Let's see if we can find something talking about that. Okay, Elon, news about Elon with council to discuss Bitcoin mining. Okay, let's take a look at that. Now that is real news. Okay, Elon Musk and Michael Saylor join forces on Bitcoin mining. Okay, so what are they talking about? Let's just take a look at that. That's a real article. Okay, but again, this is long-term influence. It's not some short-term thing. It says Elon Musk and Michael Saylor join forces on Bitcoin Mining Council, attempting to address some of the common criticisms of Bitcoin network. CEOs Michael Saylor and Elon Musk recently organized a meeting of North American Bitcoin mining firms to coordinate use of renewable energy and transparency in the business worldwide. This is what I said in some of my earlier videos, that we're going to figure out the energy issue. We're going to figure out the dirty mining energy issue with Bitcoin. It's going to happen. And then, of course, there'll be something else they have to complain about, okay? Saylor, the CEO of software intelligence firm MicroStrategy and public advocate for Bitcoin, tweeted the news of this first meeting between himself, Musk, and executives from the top mining companies in the United States. Representatives from this diverse range of companies, such as Argo Blockchain, BlockCap, Riot Blockchain, Galaxy Digital, and many others, evidently had a productive conversation and have agreed to form a new organization. Now, there's all this talk about when you form a new organization, is this moving us towards centralization? No, I disagree with that concept. Okay, we're looking at innovation to address a possible problem with the environment that has to do with mining. Okay, that doesn't necessarily stop Bitcoin from being decentralized. It's still decentralized. Okay, just because we have people working together to solve some of the problems in the environment doesn't centralize it. Let's move all the way to the bottom here. As the Bitcoin price continued an impressive bull run in 2021, Musk became more public in his support of the asset, making public statements seemingly endorsing it in January and early February. Musk's company Tesla disclosed that it had purchased 1.5 billion. We know about that, and we also know that then he started putting out these crazy tweets. Okay, and he goes on to talk about that. This honeymoon period was not to be the last forever. However, Musk spoke again on the subject in May, claiming he had significant concerns about the environmental impact. Okay, and we all know about that. So here's where I'm going with this. As these titans that are over these companies start addressing issues, you need to, you listen to what they say, but you need to really listen to what they do. Now, oh boy, let me repeat that again. Listen to what they say. When I say what they say, I'm talking about what they tweet or what they say verbally. But you need to really listen to what they do. Now, what do I mean by that? They can put all the breakup emojis they want on their Twitter feed. They can say all the stuff they want on Saturday Night Live. They can make all the cutie pie videos they want to make and talk about the problems and talk about the good things and talk about the bad things. But listen to what they do. What do I mean by that? The guy bought 1.5 billion worth of Bitcoin. Then he says, remember I said this. He says that he's concerned about the environment, but he also didn't sell his Bitcoin. Listen to what they do. He bought Bitcoin. He's concerned about the environment, but he didn't sell his Bitcoin. And oh, by the way, now they're trying to form a council that's going to address the problem with the energy. Listen to what they're doing. What are they doing? The very thing that people are saying caused Bitcoin to drop, they're addressing, and now it's going to go right back up. Can you hear what I'm telling you? You got to watch what these people are doing. You can't just sit up here on a humbug listening to CNBC talking about it's unintelligible what they're saying. Okay? You got to really watch what these folks are doing. Watch them very closely. Okay? When they start talking about, look at this. Elon Musk slammed at Bitcoin 2021 conference following tweet price drop. Okay? These people are, in my opinion, and this is my opinion, it's not the opinion of Facebook or YouTube or anyone else, okay? So Elon Musk slammed at Bitcoin 2021 conference following tweet price drop. An aura of animosity towards Elon Musk loomed over the Bitcoin 2021 conference on Friday after Tesla founder and CEO tweeted a broken heart emoji about Bitcoin on Thursday that some investors linked to the cryptocurrency's Thursday price drop. And I'll add on there inaccurately. Okay, Max Kaiser, host of the Kaiser Report, began his fireside chat with, oh, there we go again, the F word Elon, several times. A number of conference attendees posted on social media about their disappointment in the Tesla CEO, who recently announced Tesla would stop accepting Bitcoin for vehicle purchases due to environmental concerns that were credited with sending the market lower. You know what my opinion and position on that is? That's what he told everybody. The real truth is nobody's going to freaking take their Bitcoin and buy no damn Tesla car. I'm not going to do it. So he had to find a way out. Okay? That's my opinion. Okay? He found an opinion and said he said this. He said this to get out of the idea that nobody was buying any damn cars with Bitcoin. That's what I think. Cryptocurrency neared 40,000 ahead of the first day of the conference, but fell to just over 35,500 late Thursday. So what? And then the billionaire tech entrepreneur has expressed environmental concerns with Bitcoin mining process or processes of creating the cryptocurrency. Bitcoin mining is done by solving. Okay, whatever. Okay, whatever. Okay, Elon Musk Bitcoin bashing continues to crater cryptos. You know what? No, it doesn't. No, it doesn't. It doesn't matter what anybody says. Okay? It doesn't matter what anybody says, including me. What matters is the innovation that is underneath the coins. Why aren't they talking about that? Why are they talking about what he said and she said and Elon said this and Michael Saylor said that? We got to stop listening to these people talking about what Elon said and what Michael Saylor said and what Doogie Howser said and what Mr. T said and what all these people said. Okay, if they're not talking about innovation, and oh by the way, Elon does talk about innovation. Why aren't they talking about how he's actually working to solve the problem? They're just talking about how he put an emoji out. Come on, we got to get a little more technical than that. I want to challenge all of those who are passersby on this channel right now to go ahead and subscribe, throw up the like, and throw up the shares. This is an open discussion. I love the interaction I have from my subscribers. I love you guys for the support and the comments that you leave in the comment section. I think this is an educational process that we all need to bring people in and understand the ins and outs and the technical aspects of these cryptos. We need to understand what they do. We need to understand how they work. We need to understand how they're going to change the way we live and how they're going to make things better, or if they're going to make things better. That should be the discussion, not about some broken emoji, okay, and not about some diamond hands. So if you've enjoyed this video, if you have ideas about how to make these people start believing that Elon has nothing to do with the movement of the crypto price, please drop a comment in the comment section. All right, guys, that's all I got for you right now. Throw up the likes, throw up the shares, and with that, I'll catch you